Are we just gonna kill him?
Guns. Sure.
We can just go hold him up.
Okay.
Rob him.
Oh, there's that back entrance to that one. Be careful. I think.
Oh, there
Or
is?
back exit,
Hello?
I
Hello?
think.
Oh. He killed me! Automatic weapon.
He's hurt, but he's still up.
He's dead.
Nice.
Nice.
Good job.
Whew.
Scared the hell out of me. Whew.
Okay, I'm gonna load a gun here. He's right on top of us.
Just close the door.
That's your door? Okay.
No, he closed the door, is what I tried to say.
Right outside?
Yeah, my door. He's in the
Holy
inner part.
fuck. Holy shit, he could have destroyed me.
What?
I was like, I thought he was still outside. Jesus Christ.
No, he closed the center door. Oh, we killed each other.
God damn.
I missed my first shot.
Damn. Maybe they killed someone like in the stairs or something. They're taking their time.
Mhm.
Okay, I like this spot much better.
So I'm on double shot, so I'm not gonna shoot unless I know for sure I'm hitting. So if you guys go ahead and find a good shot, you make your move.
Yep. I hope he didn't log out.
I think it's unlikely at this time.
It does take a while to get a good loot in for geared
Yeah,
guys
yeah.
like this. So.
Yeah. it's
And
a long
he
loot
could be
spot.
waiting, he could be waiting for his buddies just like we were. We sat here for 10 minutes.
That's true.
I mean, he definitely could bail, but...
Make sure you're zeroed for
100.
whatever that is. 100, yeah.
That's just about perfect.
Yeah.
Damn it, my blaze only zeroes down to 2. I'll have to compensate.
But you get 2 shots, so.
I maybe should switch to a single shot, yeah.
Oh, I see what you mean by double. Yeah, no, I do 2 singles. A single shot.
Yeah.
is
It's a
blaze.
pretty good...
There's
It's
a-
a pretty...
Here, two guys.
In the door?
Yeah,
I
they came
missed.
out the door.
One guy ran, one guy's still in.
Agreed. One guy went to the right.
I'm gonna cross the street again. Towards the right.
I missed him.
Hit one, I'm down.
The guy on the right or the guy at the door?
Yeah. Guy on the right?
Is he
In
dead
the chest.
or?
No, I just hit. I don't think he's knocked.
Oh wow! Who hit me on the? There was a third. There's got to
There's
be
a
a
win-
third guy.
There's a window in that building. We were watching the
I thought
front.
you
There's a
said there were
window.
no windows. Okay. Well,
Yeah, there's a window. Yeah.
that was a really good shot then.